In this video, I'm going to show you how to determine the mean and standard deviation, first for ungrouped data and then for grouped data. In this first example, we are to find the mean and standard deviation of these 10 lengths that were determined by some experiment. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write the 10 lengths in this column, and then I'm going to square each length and write the values in this column. Next, I'm going to sum the values in each of the columns. Now, the mean is the sum of the values divided by the number of values. So our mean is equal to 384 divided by 10, which is 38.4 millimeters. The variance is equal to the sum of x squared divided by n minus the mean squared. So this is 14,954 divided by 10 minus 38.4 squared, and that works out to 20.84. The standard deviation, which is represented by the symbol sigma, is just equal to the square root of the variance. So that's equal to the square root of 20.84, which is equal to about 4.6 millimeters. Now, in this second example, we're dealing with grouped data. So the first thing that we need to do is to determine the mid-interval value for each class. Next, we multiply each mid-interval value by its frequency. Then in this column, we write the square of each mid-interval value times its frequency. Next, I sum the frequencies, or in this case, the number of children. I sum the product of the frequency and the values, and I sum the product of the square of the values, or the mid-interval values, and the frequencies. Now, the mean is equal to the sum of the values, mid-interval values, times their frequency, divided by the sum of the frequencies. So in this case, 4330 divided by 80, which gives us a value of 54.125 minutes. The variance is determined by the sum of f of x squared divided by the sum of f minus the mean squared, which for this example, 261,710 divided by 80 minus 54.125 squared, and this works out to 341.859. The standard deviation, like before, is the square root of the variance. And there we have it.